Hello folks, how are you? So today I am going to tell you about the standard data types of Python, and I am using Python 3.6.3 version on my system. So I will tell you what are the 5 data types. The first one is numbers, second one is string, third one is list, fourth one is tuple, and the last one is dictionary. So I will tell you today how to use these variables, how to store values in them, and what can you do with the values stored in these data types. So first of all, I want to tell you that Python is very intelligent language and very interactive language, and for assigning any data type you do not need to explicitly tell, like you are doing it in C sharp and other languages like Java, like you are using int a is equal to 10. So in Python you do not need to write int, like Python will understand automatically like a is equal to 10. Okay, it's an integer. Okay, so now let's see, let's find out what is the type of data type of a. So it is int, and if I had declared like a is equal to 10.0, so now if I find the data type of a, so it will come float. If I write a is equal to in like quotes string, if I find the data type of a, now it is coming in str, so it is a string. So now you got it for how to assign a data type in Python. If you want to assign a single value to two variables, like a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. Now all these three variables have only one value, that is 1. Right, now let's see the first data type, that is numbers or integers. So numbers is used to store the integer values only. So let's see how to work with them. Suppose if you are uh, dividing a number like 13 with 6, if you want to divide it by 6 and you want the result in as an integer, so what will you do? You will write double division and it will give you a integer result. And if you want the result as a floating, so what will you do? 13, just single division sign, and 6, it will give you a floating result. Okay, now if you want the exponential of 2 to the power 100, what you will do? You will write 2 star star 100, it will give you the 2 to the power 100 result. So this one is very simple. Now let's move to the second one, that is string data type. String data type is generally used to store the string, or you can store the alphanumeric data in it, as well as any address in it, name, or you can store some other data also. So how to declare a string, like str1 is equal to I live in NCR. So if you will print it, it is I live in STR. Now I will tell you one interesting thing in it. If you want to reverse a string, what will you do? You will write str1 : -1, enter. So it reverses the whole string. So this is Python. This Python is very simple language. It makes your works very simple and easier. Now if you want to capitalize this string, like it's already capitalized, the first character is capitalized, so we don't need to do it. Like if you want the whole string in uppercase, what will you do? str1 dot upper. It will convert the every character in the capital form. Now if you want to replace something, like str1 dot replace, first you have to write the old one. Like you want to replace ncr. Now I wanted to tell you one thing more, that string is a immutable type of data type. Like if you change anything in the data type, in the value of the variable of a string type, so its original value is unchanged. Like I changed this str1 to uppercase, it will show you in uppercase, but if you will see the original value, it would be same as I had initialized it first. Okay, now I wanted to show you the replace function. str1 dot replace, first you will write the old one, as it is giving you the hint here. Old one is ncr, and now I want Mumbai. Okay, so it has replaced it with Mumbai. Now one more very interesting thing I wanted to show. Now like I have replaced it, but the original value would be I live in NCR. Okay, now I wanted to show you one more very interesting thing. If you want to reverse each and every string separately in this whole string, like I separately, live separately, in separately, and NCR, all these separately you want to reverse. So to reverse it, I will use two different functions. First one is join, and second one is split. These are the two functions used in string data type. So let's see how it is used. So my string is I live in NCR, and I want to reverse each and every part of it. So what I will do, I will write like space dot join, because I need to join each and every part after splitting it. X. Now I need to reverse it for x in str1 dot split. Yes, I'm splitting it. So I live in NCR. So each and every part is reversed here. So now let's quickly move on to the third one, that is the list data type. So now guys, let's see how to use the list data type. So the list is a mutable data type, which means that the values, if changed during the running of the program in a list data type, so they are actually changed, and the original value is changed. so that I will show you how uh, mutable works and how immutable works. Suppose I declare a list1. It's in a square bracket. We have to declare a list in a square bracket. Okay, so one, it can have different data types within it. ABC, XYZ, 50. So our list1 has these four values, 1 ABC. So it contains both string and integers. Alright, now if you want to see the first one, like list1, index starts from 0 here, so it will print 1. Okay, now if you want to replace anything, you can do that also, like list1 dot replace old one, your one with one two three. Oops, there is no object like replace. Okay, so in list you cannot replace anything, but you can assign on that position. For example, like I wrote here replace, so I don't need to write here replace. List one on the first position, I want 1 2 3. Okay, now if I print list1, 1 is gone. 1 is gone from here and 1 2 3 has come here. Okay, so replace was the function of string, not of list. Okay, now if you want to remove the last item, what you will use pop, list1 dot pop. It has popped last one, that is 50. Now list1, it doesn't have 50. Again if you will pop list1 dot pop, it has popped XYZ. So these are the functions, basic functions of the list. And now let's just quickly move on to the tuple. Tuple is also a kind of list, but here the working is more faster and the values are mutable. Sorry, the values are immutable. So in tuple the values are immutable. Here you cannot change the original values during programming. And let's see how to initialize a tuple. So tup1 is equal to, within the small brackets, so you can do anything like 1 comma, like you want a group ABC XYZ, like 200 500. Okay, so this is your tuple. Now tuple, what was your first element? It was 1. What was your second element? Sorry, I forgot there to put a closing bracket. Let's initialize once again. tup2 is equal to 1 ABC closing it, comma XYZ close it, comma. Now if you want one more like 200, 500, okay, let's remove it. Okay, we had put an extra closing bracket there. So now tube 2 is this, tube 2 last one is 200, 500. So now if you want to change anything, let's see you are able to do it or not. Tube 2 dot pop. So it does not allow you to pop anything or change any original value. Okay, that was the part of the list. So you can remove it in list but not in tuple. Okay, working in tuple is very faster than list. Now let's move on to dictionary, the last one. Dictionary is a data type which works on the key value pairs, and the key values are the unique keys, are the unique things in it, so that if you want to call some value, you can call it by its unique key. Let's see how to declare a dictionary. Now let's see how to declare a dictionary. Dict1 is equal to, you need to declare it within the curly braces, so like this. So first the key and then its value. So like key is 1 and separating with a colon, the value is Delhi. Let's make it New Delhi. Now the different second one, that is 2 colon Washington. Now the third key is 3 and its value is Hong Kong. Now dict1 is this. So now if you want to see what is the value of key 2, you will write dict1 what is the value of key 2, Washington. Okay, so now you understand that this key should be unique and this value can be different. So if I declare with the same key, what happens? Dict2 within the curly braces 1 colon ABC comma again A comma ABCD. What it is giving? It is giving you just 1, like it's not taking both of them and it's not also giving any error, but it has taken only one value of key A. So that's your loss. You need to put unique keys there. Okay, So there are other functions of dictionary also, like you want to know what all the keys are there, like ticked one dot keys. So these are the keys, 1 2 3 here. If you want to know the values, ticked one dot values, it will give you the values. Okay, so these were the 5 data types. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you.